There's a very special kind of person who will stay on this video. Not the ones looking for entertainment, not the ones scrolling to distract themselves, but the ones who feel different. And if that's you, like if you've always sensed more than you could explain, if you walk into a room and feel the energy instantly, if you notice patterns in people, in life, in timing, you've probably questioned reality itself at some point. And you've wondered why things feel scripted, repetitive, almost designed. And at the same time, you've doubted yourself. Like, you've asked yourself, am I overthinking? Am I imagining this? Why do I feel like I don't belong here sometimes? But what if that feeling isn't really confusion? What if there's awareness within you that is trying to break conditioning, and that's why you've been feeling so weird in this world, because you're way more aware than this world is actually designed for. So you felt out of this place because you've seen things that were not meant to be seen, and you sensed things that were not meant to be sensed. In this world, you sense the truth, you see the truth. So from the moment you were born, you were slowly taught to disconnect from your own power. Not intentionally by everyone, but very systematically. You were taught to trust external authority over your inner knowing, to follow paths that were already created, to measure your worth based on productivity, validation, approval. And over time, what happened? You stopped listening to that voice inside of you, that quiet voice that says, this isn't right, there's more than this, you're not meant to live like this. We all have this voice within that tells us there's something wrong here. So the truth most people never fully accept is you were never designed to be controlled, my friend. You were never designed to be controlled. You were designed to create. That's why you become depressed if you just consume. You were designed to create what inspires you, to get in touch back with your inspiration, with your voice, with your feeling. You know, when we say, oh yeah, that feels right. And not just in a creative sense, but in a foundational, reality shaping sense. Your thoughts influence your perception influences your decisions, and your decisions shape your entire life trajectory. And that's how your brain, your nervous system, and your behavior actually work together. You're not separate from your life. You're generating it moment by moment. So that's why I've created a very new community where I've put this kind of structured programs and teachings together to help you detach from this old programming and go step by step every single day through activations to take this power back, to step back into your authentic energy and to start creating. There's a deeply supportive community that will also celebrate your wins. We're holding each other accountable, and every single week I go live, I do some live teachings, we do some live coaching and all of that. So we created a space for people like you to get back into your power and to shine once again as you're meant to shine. So I want to clear something up here. I've titled this video like, this will show up to the chosen ones. And being chosen doesn't mean you're better than anyone else. It doesn't mean you're superior, more important or above others. It means something much more real, like maybe even much more challenging. It means you are aware enough to take responsibility. That's what it means. Most people will spend their entire lives reacting to circumstances, reacting to emotions, reacting to what happens to them. But if you're still here, my friend, there's a part of you that's ready to respond instead of react. And that's a big change, to pause and ask, what am I feeling into my reality right now? What am I feeling? Because through feeling, you're not just, in tuning to the energy, you're also sending energy out. You're sending a signal out into the field. So through feeling something, you're also feeding this reality. Because here's where your power actually is. Not in controlling everything around you, but in choosing who you become in every moment. That's it, my friend. That's the shift. To choose who you're about to become. So I've designed this kind of a workbook where you write down your vision of who you're becoming. So then every single day you're becoming that person. In our community, we're all doing this together so you can shift into this new version of yourself. It's not a glamorous shift. It's not a dramatic shift. It's just a daily work. And it's exactly how, it's in how you think when things don't go your way. It's in whether you collapse or regulate yourself. It's in whether you stay stuck in old patterns or you interrupt them. You see, being chosen means you're no longer unconscious. You've chosen to say yes to this higher calling. Your higher self said, hey, you're ready. So let's wake up. And once you see all these programs and patterns, you can't unsee them. Most people are waiting for a big moment, like maybe a breakthrough, a sign, a sudden transformation. But I've noticed that real power doesn't work like that because it's very subtle. It's in the moment you choose not to engage in negativity. It's in the moment you hold your ground instead of seeking approval. It's in the moment you stop abandoning yourself. And these don't look like big changes, but they are timeline shifts because you've chosen to embody a different pattern. You've chosen not to run in unconscious ones. You have decided to do something differently. Because every time you choose differently, you're literally reinforcing a new identity. And your life can only reflect who you consistently are. Not who you wish you were, not who you say you are, but who you repeatedly show up as. So if you've been waiting for your life to change, this might be uncomfortable to hear. Because your life will change the moment you become someone it can respond differently. So, if you're still here, my friend, firstly, congratulations. It shows to me that you're committed. Don't just take it as a message. Take it as a decision point. Like, from now on, I will commit. From now on, I will stay true to my vision. From now on, I will do the work daily. You don't need to find something outside of you, but you need to stop ignoring what you already know. And in our community, I've noticed so many people know already what to do, but they've been still not doing it. There's an inner voice that we all have, but we ignore it because we don't trust it. So there's this deeper feeling that there's more for us, or the discomfort with staying the same. If we ignore these things, we're like, yeah, I don't deserve change. But if we go deeper, we ask ourselves, how can I be the change that I want to see? And that's not random. You have two choices. You can, close this video and say goodbye, I don't care about it, and go back to autopilot or whatever. Or you can start paying attention to your thoughts, to your reactions, and to your patterns, and slowly, deliberately start choosing differently. Because the truth is, this video didn't show up for chosen ones. It showed up for people who are finally ready to choose themselves. And if that's you, my friend, then everything from this point forward is no longer accidental. It's intentional, because you are becoming intentional. And that's where your real power begins. So, my friend, if you feel it's hard to do it alone, you don't need to do it alone. We've created a space where you can do it together with people on the same mission. There's a deeply supportive space where you will feel seen, you will feel heard, you will feel accepted, while being also gently challenged to become who you know you can be. So, if this resonates with you, you can join us in our community on the link in the description, where you will receive full access to all courses and structured programs, step-by-step identity transformation frameworks, nervous system tools to calm overwhelm and sharpen clarity, weekly Q&As, and these live sessions, and focused, supportive community that doesn't just talk but actually implements. So I will leave you here. Once again, join us on the link in the description, and to anyone who has enjoyed in today's painting, you can also find a print of it on AttractPassion.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, my friends, and till next time, one love.